Hey babes, welcome back to the Makartt official YouTube channel. Today we've got another really special nail tutorial for you guys. Today we're going to be creating this chocolate dipped look together using the brand new Makartt Dippies kits. Today I'm going to be using this French collection Dippies kit that you can purchase on Makartt.com and the sweet and sparkling individual dippy color that is also available for purchase. I've already applied some full cover coffin tips to my nails, and what you're going to do is start off with the base, which is step 1 in the dippy kit, and I'm just applying that all over the nail. I'm now going to take Sweet and Sparkling, and you're going to dip the nail covered in base right into the jar, making sure that you get the entire nail. I'm then going to very carefully pull the finger out of the Dippies jar and lightly tap it with my finger just to get off that first layer of excess powder. I'm now going to take the brush that comes in the Dippy kit and remove any powder that's remaining around my finger. Onto the second layer of dip, I'm going to take step number 1 again, which is the base, and place that on top of the first layer of dip that we did. And just like the last time, dip, remove, and tap off the extra. For this look, I'm going to repeat the same exact steps using Sweet and Sparkling Dippy Powder for my index finger. For my ring finger, I will be using Sugar White from the French Collection Dippy Kit, and repeating the same exact steps that we did for our pinky and index finger. For my middle finger and thumb, I'm going to be using the Dippy color Passion Over, also included in the French Dippy kit. After I've applied about 3 layers of dip to each nail, I'm then going to move on to step 2, which is the activator, and place that all over my nails. After the activator has time to dry for about 2 minutes, I'm now going to take the nail file included in the kit and shape my nails. Once I'm happy with the shape of my nails, I'm then going to apply a second coat of activator. Now it's time for our chocolate dip design. I'm taking this gel polish in the color Contour, and I'm taking a small detail brush, and I'm just going to trace out the outline of how I want my chocolate drip to look. Once I'm happy with that first layer of the brown gel polish, I'm going to cure it and then apply a second layer. Once that layer has been cured, you're going to move on to step 3 and place this dippy top coat on all of your nails. I'm now going to use this rhinestone glue and pack of rhinestones that you can find at Makartt.com. And I'm going to take the rhinestone glue and place a very small amount right on the dip design. Then I'm going to take a medium-sized rhinestone and place it right there on top of my drip. Cure it into place. I'm going to take that same rhinestone glue and place it in a shape around my cuticle to create some really cute cuticle bling. Now I'm going to take this Swiss hot chocolate nail decor collection that you can find on Makartt.com and choose this really cute ice cream pop. Place a dollop of nail glue in the middle of my middle finger and place the charm right on top and cure. Now I'm going to take this really cute pearl bow charm that was included in a charm package from the December Your Nail Lab box and place it right on top of my pointer finger. And lastly, for my thumb, I'm going to apply a very thin line of nail glue around the perimeter of my nail. And using that same rhinestone pack from earlier, I'm just going to place some rhinestones around the perimeter of my entire nail. And don't forget to cure it into place. And here it is, the final look. I really hope you all enjoyed this sweet chocolate dip look that I created using the brand new Makartt Dippies. I don't know about y'all, but I could go for something sweet right about now. Thank y'all for watching. See you next time.